This tutorial is going to give you a brief introduction to working in the EV3 programming interface. When you open up the program, you will land on a page that looks like this. Off to the side, you'll see some different tutorial components, or up here you can just start a new project. So if we click on that plus, we will get a new project to load, and you have a project window where you can build your project. It'll open up this editing window, and it kind of takes up space. So one of the first things you want to do is just click over here and close that content editor so you have your full workspace here. This is where you will build your program. Right now the program has the title project and a single program inside of it. So we can go ahead and double click on the program and give that a name. We're going to call this move the rotation, for example. And the project, to change the name of that, we need to actually save this whole project. So let's go through that process of how we save things so that we can find them again later. We come up here to File, and then we want to save the project. But the first time we save it, we always want to say save it as, so we get the opportunity to give it a name and a location. So let's click Save Project As, and that will open up the window for saving the project. And let me make that slightly smaller. Okay. Then you want to make sure that you are on your computer in your My Documents. So navigate to the My Documents window. Right. And in the My Documents, you should see some folders of other teams perhaps. And you want to create a new folder that will be your name or your group name. So I'm just going to call this EV3 Test Group. And then I can double click inside of there to open that up. There are no files in here, and that's where I'm going to save my project. So I'll move this around a second. Down here I haven't given it a name, so I'm going to call this my first Rob's first EV project. Okay, good to put your name in so that's easy to find your work compared to other people's work. Once I've got that entered, then I come over here and I click on the Save button. And that will save my project. And you notice now the project has the name Rob's First Project, and I have a program inside of there. So that's the introduction to opening and navigating around the EV3 programming interface. Next tutorial, I'll go over what do these things down here do.